Hi, today we are going to see how to use voice type on Google Doc. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type docs.google.com. Here, a new interface will open. After that, you can use template or you can start a new document. Click on blank. From here, click on tools. Then click on voice typing. Also, you can use keyboard to start voice typing. That is Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Then you have to click on the mic option and you will be able to speak. So by that you can use voice type on Google Docs. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.